Welcome back with me, Miss Reta. Today we are going to study lesson 5, multiplying by tens, hundreds, or thousands. Hi dear student, please open your textbook lesson 5, page 28 until 32, and your workbook practice 5, page 27 until 31. First, we are going to study about multiplying by tens. On your textbook, there's the question 62 times with 40 equals 62 times 4 tens. Multiplying a number by 40 is the same as multiplying it by 4 and then by 10. So, 62 times 4 times 10. 62 times 4 equal 248 times 10. And then if times 10, you just put 1 0 in the back of the number. So the answer is 2480. Now, open your workbook. Number 1. Find the values. 109 times 10. So put 1 0 in the back of the number. So the answer is 1090. 1503 times with 10. Put 1 0 in the back of the number. So the answer is 15,030. 9,342 times with 10. Add 1 0 in the back of the number. So the answer is 93,420. Number 2, fill in the blanks. Blah 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 times 10 equals 700. We know 700 is 70 times with 10. So the answer is 70. Next question. Blah 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 times 10 equal 91,760. 91,760 is 9,176 times with 10. So the answer is 9,176. The last question, 5,000 is 500 times with 10. So the answer is 500. Number 3, fill in the blanks. 39 times 30 equal 39 times with 3 and then times with 10. 39 times 3 equal 117 times 10. So we add 1 0 in the back of the number. The answer is 1170. Next is multiplying by hundreds or thousands. 72 times with 400. So 72 times 4 times 100. Because multiplying a number by 400 is the same as multiplying by 4 and then by 100. So 72 times with 4 equal 288. And then times with 100, so we put 2 0 in the back of the number. So the answer is 28,800. Workbook number 4, multiply. 803 times with 100. So we add 2 zeros in the back of the number. The answer is 80,300. The next question, 3,810 times with 100. So we add 2 zeros in the back of the number. The answer is 381,000. And then next, 8,032 times with 1,000. If times with 1,000, so we add 3 zeros in the back of the number. So the answer is 8,032,000. 3,936 times with 1,000. So we add 3 zeros in the back of the number. So the answer is 3,936,000. Number 5, fill in the blanks. 1,315 times blah 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 equal 131,500. So the answer is 100. Blah 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 times with 1,000 equal 2,662,000. So the answer is 2662. Number 6, fill in the blanks. 12 times 500 equal 12 times 5 times 100. 12 times with 5 equals 60. 60 times 100, so we add 2 zeros in the back of 60. The answer is 6,000. Next, 15 times with 2,000. So 15 times with 2 times with 1,000. 15 times 2 equal 30. 30 times 1,000 equal 30,000. Number 7, do this. Now please take a look at the table below. There is multiplying by tens, multiplying by hundreds, and multiplying by thousand. When we multiply 90 times with 40, the first is we times the number 9 and 4. 9 times with 4 equal 36. And then in the 90 we have 1 0, in the 40 we have 1 0. So we add 2 zeros in the back of 36. The answer is 3,600. And then 90 times with 400. Is it still same? 9 times with 4 equal 36. The total we have 3 zeros. So the answer is 36,000. 9 times with 4 again become 36. And then we have 4 zeros. So the answer is 360,000. And then for the next question also same. Next, number 8, fill in the blanks. 30 times blah 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 equal 90,000. To find the number, we can divide 90,000 with 30. So the answer is 300. And then for the next question, 5,000 we divide by 25 equal 200. The last is about estimation. Number 9, round off the 2-digit numbers to the nearest 10, the 3-digit numbers to the nearest 100, and the 4-digit numbers to the nearest 1000. Then estimate the product. The question is 99 times with 217. Before we times it, we need to round it off the numbers. Okay, the first is round off 99 to the nearest 10. 99 is between 90 and 100, but closer to 100. So 99 approximately equal to 100. The next number, round off 217 to the nearest 100. 217 is between 200 and 300, but closer to 200. So 217 is approximately equal to 200. Now we times the number. 1 times 2 equal 2. And then the zero that we have from 100 and 200 is 4. So the answer is 20,000. Okay, please do the Google form after you have understand this topic. Thank you, friends.